Hi and welcome back to this video. This is the answer walkthrough for finding the median level 2. So the answer for the first one is 11. Answer to the second one, the median was 7. Answer to the third one, the median was 12. Answer to the fourth one, the median was 20.5. And the answer to the fifth one was 41. If you've got all those right, well done. You can go ahead and watch another one of our videos from Maths from Scratch. Or if you've made a mistake and you want to see where you might have gone wrong, keep watching and you can watch a full answer walkthrough for each one of these 5. Right, you are then. So here is the full answer walkthrough for question 1. So we're going to go ahead and put these in numerical order. So my first one is a 6, then I have a 7, a 9, then I've got a 10, 2 12s, okay, a 13, and a 23. Now I'm going to strike down from the outsides. Then I'm going to get 2 numbers that live in the middle. So we've got 10 and 12. So my median's going to lie in between 10 and 12. Add these two together. So 10 plus 12 gives me 22. And then, as per the method, I need to half this. So 22 divided by 2 gives me 11. So my median for question 1 is going to be 11. Right then, so the full answer walkthrough for question 2. Put them in order. So my first one is a 1. Then I've got a 3, 2 7s, an 11, and then a 45. Okay, yep. Strike down from the outside. And we should have 2 numbers isolated in the middle. So here's a case where both numbers are the same. Still, we'll add them together. So 7 plus 7 gives me 14, and then divide this by 2. 14 divided by 2 gives me 7. So my median for question 2 is going to be a 7. Now when you see this, you can automatically just go, oh look, it's the same one. But if you want to be dead thorough, you can add it together and divide by 2 and you'll find you'll get the same. It's entirely up to you which method you adopt. So there's the answer for question 2, it's 7. Right then, question 3. So my first one, the smallest, is going to be a 5. Strike it. Then we've got a 7. Next one after that is an 11. 13. Yep. Then I've got a 45. And then a 67. Strike. Right, strike down from the outside. And we'll have 2 numbers in the middle. So we've got an 11 and 13. So my median's going to lie there. Add together 11 plus 13 gives me 24. Half this. 24 divided by 2 is going to give me 12. So my median for question 3 is 12. Question 4. So find my smallest. That's 15. Then next one is a 16. Then I have a 19. Then a 20. I saw a 21 there, so it's a 21. Then next one is a 56. Strike 78. And then 87. So then strike down from the outside. And then we'll have 2 numbers in the middle, so 20 and 21. So add those together. So 20 plus 21 gives me 41. Now we need to half this. So 41 divided by 2. Okay, so let's just assume that we're not too confident halving this. So we're going to split 41 into 2 easy numbers. So 40 and 1. Then we're going to half these separately. So half of 40 is 20. Half of 1 is going to be 0.5 or a half. And it really doesn't matter which one you choose. Okay, so then add these two together. So that gives me 20 and a half. Okay, so I'll write it down there. And I'll write it up here as well. It's 20 and a half. So my median for this one is 20.5 or 20 and a half. And it really doesn't matter which one you put. So that's question 4 sorted. Right, and then last but by no means least, question 5. So we've got a 6. Just write that through. Then we've got a 7. Next one is an 11. Now, you don't have to shout this out in your exam. You say what I'm saying in your head. Otherwise, you'll get thrown out and people think you're a bit odd. So, 40. 42. Then it's a 67. 122. And then 124. Then we're going to strike down from the outside to find two numbers that live in the middle, and we have done. So we've got a 40 and a 42. Add these together. 40 plus 42 gives me 82. 82 divided by 2 gives me 41. And so my median for question 5 is 41. And it's always a good idea to underline your answers so examiners like me know where to look straight away for your workings out. Okay, which is good. And then don't forget to write that on the answer line as well.